Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to convert Google Docs file into a Microsoft Word Docx. So let's get in. What you want to do is navigate over to your Google apps on the right hand side if you are using the Google Chrome browser, and you want to tap on Docs. Now once you get into Docs, you will see that you can open up your Google documents. Now I am currently busy with my pet's resume, so he's been looking for a job for quite some time now and he's been struggling, so I thought I'd give him a hand. So what we want to do is we're going to convert this to a Microsoft document. So let us go into File on the left hand side, and we're going to go down to Download, and quite simply from here you can see it says Microsoft Word, and we're going to click on that. Now what's going to happen automatically is it will download to your device, and as you can see now it is now available. And once you click on that, it will automatically open in Microsoft Word. Here it is. And on the top right hand side you can see currently I only have permission to view and not edit. All we need to do is just go ahead and tap on enable editing, and this is literally just a safety feature from Microsoft Word, and all you have to do is tap on that and now you can continue editing in Microsoft Word. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.